Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna start with the Naked Heat palette, and I'm gonna take Heat Devil and I'm gonna place this in the crease, and I'm gonna bring this a little bit above the crease as well. This is just gonna be our transition shade, and I'm just gonna really deepen out this color. Next, I'm gonna be taking Cayenne, and I'm applying this in the outer corner and as well as bringing it into the crease just a little bit to keep adding some more depth in the crease. And I'm just blending it in back and forth motions in the crease. Next, I'm going to be mixing Ashes and Fuego, and I'm going to be keeping these two shades in the outer corner for now to really intensify the outer corner, to add more depth to the outer corner. And then I'm just going to bring it into the crease, and I want to focus this right on the crease, not higher, not lower. And this is just going to make that crease look very deep and intense. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges with the first brush that we went in, and I'm just blending back and forth motions. After, I'm going to be taking a concealer and a concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut out the lid. I'm going to bring it all the way to the outer corner. Here, I'm just taking a lip pencil brush, and I'm just blending out the outer corner with the concealer so the line won't be so harsh. Then I'm going back with Cayenne and Fuego and Ashes to blend out the outer corner and just really make it intense again, and so there won't be like hard edges with that. Here I'm going with both Fuego and Ashes and intensifying the outer corner again. Next, I'm taking Dirty Talk and I'm putting this all over the lid and just really intensifying this. And here I'm just going back and blending out the edges with the last brush we went in with, making sure everything is nice and smooth. After, I'm going to be mixing Cayenne and Fuego again, and I'm going to be putting this where the crease meets the outer corner, and I'm just going to bring it slightly into the crease. Then I'm taking a NYX glitter eyeliner and I'm placing this in the middle of the crease. I'm going to let that dry and I'll be right back with my eyeliner. Next, I'm taking Cayenne again and I'm placing this very close to my waterline, and then I'm just going to buff it out. For my face, I'm going to contour using the Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to be using this shade right here. Blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Tea Rose number 8. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm going to take my favorite highlight. It's going to be the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight. With this side that I applied my foundation, I'm going to sort of stamp that over it just to blend it out, make it a little bit more seamless. For lips, I'm going to be taking the Girlatick matte lip paint in the shade Demure. To finish off the face, I'm going to be taking the Scandinavia makeup setting spray and spraying this all over my face. Then I'm taking Rodeo Drive and applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. And for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking Ounce, and I'm gonna be using this to highlight my brow bone, of course. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Alright guys, welcome to the Louis and Angeli show. For my 5 subscribers, I'm doing a meet and greet at Chipotle right there in 67th Avenue.
Ooh.
And if you guys want, you know, you could like, don't be shy, don't be scared. I'll be there. I mean, I don't buy, I'll be there.
Like and subscribe, you know. For my last video, click right here. Yeah.
Hit the like button.
Drop down the description box.